If you've ever walked down the auto care aisle, staring at rows of fuel injector cleaners, wondering which one will actually help your engine, you're not alone. These little bottles promise smoother rides, better fuel economy, and cleaner emissions. But here's the truth. Some of them don't just fail to deliver, they can actually damage your engine. Today, we're exposing 5 fuel injector cleaners you should never use, and 5 that you should use. Not because we're trying to scare you, but because real car owners have paid the price through clogged injectors, ruined sensors, and wasted money. And if you care about your car's health, this is the kind of information no one's telling you. Let's start with a quick reality check. Most fuel injector cleaners are just chemical cocktails. They're made to dissolve carbon deposits that build up in your fuel system over time. But not all formulas are created equal. Some are too weak to do anything, others are too harsh, stripping away protective coatings or damaging sensitive components like oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. And here's the kicker, the worst offenders are often the most popular. Big brands, flashy labels, and glowing Amazon reviews don't mean a product is safe or effective. In fact, some of the most hyped cleaners have been flagged by mechanics and independent testers for doing more harm than good. So, let's dig into the 5 you should avoid and why. 1. Gum Out Fuel Injector Cleaner Basic Formula. Gum Out is a household name in fuel additives, but their basic fuel injector cleaner, the one you'll find in most convenience stores, isn't the hero it claims to be. Problem? It lacks the active ingredient called PEA, polyethylamine. PEA is the gold standard for breaking down stubborn carbon deposits. Without it, you're basically pouring glorified detergent into your tank. Independent lab tests have shown that Gum Out's basic formula doesn't significantly improve injector flow rates or reduce emissions. It might clean surface level gunk, but it won't touch the deeper buildup that causes misfires, rough idling, or poor fuel economy. And here's the behavioral trap. Because it's cheap and widely available, people assume it's a safe bet. But using a weak cleaner repeatedly can lull you into thinking your system is being maintained, when in reality, deposits are quietly building up. If you're going to use a Gum Out product, opt for their Regan line, which does contain PEA, but the basic version. Leave it on the shelf. 2. STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. STP is another brand that's been around forever. Their fuel injector cleaner is often bundled in discount packs or promoted as a quick fix for engine performance. But again, the formula lacks PEA. Instead, it relies on older detergents like PIBA, polyisobutylene amine, which are far less effective at cleaning modern fuel systems. Mechanics have reported cases where STP's cleaner caused temporary improvements, only for problems to return weeks later. That's because it doesn't remove the root cause. It's like brushing your teeth with water. It might feel fresh, but it's not doing the deep cleaning your engine needs. And worse, some users have experienced clogged filters and injector tips after repeated use. That's because the cleaner can loosen debris without fully dissolving it, causing it to settle in sensitive areas. If you're driving a newer car with direct injection, STP's formula is especially risky. These engines require precise fuel delivery, and any leftover residue can throw off the balance. 3. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner. This one's controversial. Lucas is a respected brand, and their upper cylinder lubricant is often praised for reducing engine wear. But when it comes to cleaning fuel injectors, the results are mixed. The product is thick, almost syrupy. It's designed more for lubrication than cleaning. And while that might sound helpful, it can actually interfere with injector spray patterns. Modern fuel injectors are engineered to atomize fuel into a fine mist. When you introduce a heavy additive, it can disrupt that mist, leading to incomplete combustion and carbon buildup. Some users have reported smoother engine noise after using Lucas, but others have seen reduced fuel economy and increased emissions. That's because the cleaner doesn't contain PEA and isn't optimized for deep carbon removal. If your goal is to clean injectors, Lucas isn't the right tool. It's like using conditioner to wash your hair. It might feel nice, but it's not doing the job you need. 4. SuperTech Fuel Injector Cleaner sold, primarily at Walmart. SuperTech is a budget brand that promises big results for a small price. But here's the harsh truth. You get what you pay for. SuperTech's formula is basic. No PEA, no advanced detergents, and no proven track record. It's often used by drivers who want a quick fix before an emissions test or road trip. But the cleaner doesn't penetrate deep enough to make a lasting difference. In fact, some mechanics have warned that SuperTech can leave behind residue that clogs fuel filters. That's because it loosens debris without fully dissolving it, allowing it to settle in places it shouldn't. And here's the behavioral insight. Cheap products create a false sense of maintenance. Drivers feel responsible for using a cleaner, but they're unknowingly choosing one that does more harm than good. If you're serious about injector health, skip SuperTech. It's not worth the risk. 5. Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner, non-concentrated version. Now, this one might surprise you. Chevron's Techron is often recommended by mechanics and even car manufacturers. But not all Techron products are created equal. The concentrated version, Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner, is excellent. It contains high levels of PEA and has been proven to restore injector performance. But the non-concentrated version, often labeled as Fuel Injector Cleaner, is a watered-down formula. It contains less PEA and fewer detergents, making it far less effective. Some drivers use the cheaper version thinking they're getting the same benefits, but tests show that it doesn't significantly improve injector flow or reduce carbon buildup. This is a classic case of brand confusion. Chevron makes great products, but only if you choose the right one. So if you're reaching for Techron, make sure it's the complete version. Otherwise, you're just wasting money. So now that we've exposed the 5 fuel injector cleaners you should never use, let's talk about the ones that actually deserve a spot in your garage. 1. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. If there's one product that consistently tops the charts, it's Redline SI1. This isn't just hype, it's backed by chemistry and performance. Redline S. I1 contains one of the highest concentrations of PEA on the market, between 30% and 50%. That's not just marketing fluff, you can verify it in their material safety data sheet, which most brands won't even publish. What does that mean for your engine? It means deep cleaning. Not just the injectors, but the entire fuel system, fuel lines, combustion chambers, valves, and sensors. Drivers report smoother idling, better throttle response, and even improved fuel economy after just one treatment. And here's the behavioral insight. Redline doesn't rely on flashy packaging or gimmicks. It's a quiet performer. Mechanics love it because it works. Car owners love it because they can feel the difference. If you're dealing with rough starts, poor mileage, or just want to keep your injectors clean, Redline SI1 is a solid investment. Use it every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers, and your engine will thank you. 2. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple is known for its high-performance lubricants, but their Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner is equally impressive. This product contains a strong dose of PEA, along with other detergents that target carbon buildup in injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. But what sets it apart is its dual action. It cleans and stabilizes a fuel. That means it not only removes deposits but also prevents new ones from forming. It's especially useful for cars that sit idle for long periods or for owners who want long-term protection. In real-world tests, Royal Purple Max Clean has shown improvements in fuel economy, horsepower, and emissions. It's even been used in fleet vehicles and performance cars with great results. And here's the emotional angle. This cleaner is for people who care about their car's longevity. It's not just about fixing a problem, it's about preventing one. If you're the kind of owner who wants to treat your engine like an investment, Max Clean is a smart choice. 3. BG44 K Fuel System Cleaner BG44. K is a favorite among professional mechanics, and for good reason. It's not sold in most retail stores, but you'll find it in repair shops and dealerships that specialize in high-performance or luxury vehicles. This cleaner is designed to be used with a full tank of fuel and works quickly to dissolve carbon deposits in injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. It contains a potent blend of detergents, including PEA, and has been proven to restore lost power and reduce emissions. What makes BG44K stand out is its speed. Drivers often report noticeable improvements after just one tank. That's rare in the world of fuel additives. And here's the psychological hook. BG44K is trusted by professionals who see engines every day. If they're using it in customer vehicles, it's because it works. That kind of trust isn't bought, it's earned. If you're dealing with performance issues or prepping for an emissions test, BG44K is one of the most effective cleaners you can use. 4. AmSoil Performance Improver PIs. AmSoil is a brand that flies under the radar, but its performance improver is a hidden gem. This cleaner contains a high concentration of PEA and is designed for modern engines, including direct injection systems. Direct injection engines are especially prone to carbon buildup because fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves. That means deposits can form quickly, leading to misfires, poor fuel economy, and rough idling. AmSoil PI targets those deposits with precision. It's formulated to clean injectors, valves, and combustion chambers without damaging sensors or seals. And it's safe for turbocharged and supercharged engines. What makes AmSoil unique is its commitment to transparency. They publish test results, chemical breakdowns, and performance data. That kind of honesty is rare in the fuel additive world. If you drive a newer car or care about long-term engine health, AmSoil PI is a top-tier choice. It's not flashy, but it's effective. 5. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Earlier, we warned you about the watered-down version of Techron. But the Concentrate Plus formula? That's a different story. This version contains a strong dose of PEA and is designed to clean the entire fuel system, not just the injectors. It's recommended by several automakers, including GM and BMW, and has been tested in both lab and real-world conditions. Techron Concentrate Plus can improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and restore lost power. It's especially useful for older vehicles that haven't had regular fuel system maintenance. And here's the behavioral insight. Techron is one of the few cleaners that's backed by OEMs. That means car manufacturers trust it enough to recommend it. That kind of endorsement isn't given lightly. If you want a cleaner that's easy to find, affordable, and effective, Techron Concentrate Plus is a safe bet. Just make sure you're getting the right version, the complete formula, not the basic one. If this video saved you from wasting money or damaging your engine, hit that like button. It helps more car owners find the truth. Drop a comment if you've used any of these cleaners, good or bad. Your experience could help someone else avoid regret. And if you want more honest, research-backed car care advice, subscribe. We go deeper than quick fixes, because your car deserves better. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep your engine clean.